Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show the Nextool multi-tools belt that I've just gotten. Let's do the unboxing here. Okay. So what we have inside the box is some instruction, right? And it's a very good set of instruction. It actually gives you in English and also in German for those who prefer that one. So in English, it basically says the tools that we got here in this belt, and the sizes, the measurement, and the dimension. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look. Belt with me. So, okay. All right. Let's put the box out of the way. So what we have here is a multi-tool belt. Okay, and the belt itself is made from polyester, and I think I remember reading somewhere that the specification for this polyester or this nylon is 1680D Oxford. I will check on that and I'll post onto the description later on what is it. Now basically this is a belt which has a frame, and then you had a tool that's sitting on the frame of this belt. All right, this is how the belt works. Okay, so you had it's as any conventional belt, a nylon strap belt. Just adjust it to your to the size that you prefer, to the length you prefer, and then put onto your waist and loop it in this way. Okay, this is it. This is how you lock it in. Now, it won't force out, of course, but you need to slide it out. It looks alright, but the material here seems to be steel. The frame itself, the black color frame, seems to be steel, but this is not. This could be again just nylon or some plastics. Okay. Now it is. I find the frame, the J hook here, a bit flimsy. Over time, it might deform or it might got put out. So I'm not sure. Right. I'll see how it goes when I start to use it. Now, as for the tools itself, what you have is stainless steel, right? I think it's 2CR13 steel. The tools itself is made of 2CR13 steel, and how it sits on the frame here is basically behind on this frame there's a adapter. There's a catch. There's a latch here for this to sit in. So to take it off, push this to a side, and it comes out. All right. So this is the adapter, right? Put the tools onto it, okay, and stack it to click it on. So push it out to take it off. Now this is really useful, especially when I want to take out the tools without having taken off the belt itself during the times I want to use it. Now, so let's go on to the tool itself. So what we have here is about 9 functions that we got here, and let's take a look at one by one. So the first one we've got here, okay, is a flat Phillips screwdriver, right? And you have a can opener and a bottle opener. Now, the Phillips screwdriver is pretty straightforward. I think it works all right, no doubt about that. But the can opener seems a bit, I don't know, I have to test it out. I will show you another video on that later on. But it's a bit, it's like too thin here. I'm not sure whether can it hold the weight if I put down on, put the pressure on it to open the can. Well, the bottle opener itself looks straightforward. I think there's no problem opening any bottle. Okay. Now the next tool behind it is a cord cutter, the sharp edges on the U-shaped cord cutter, and then you have the knife over here, another sharp edges over here that you can use as a knife to cut whatever you need to cut. Okay, so the action is crisp. Okay, it's sturdy, so it fits in perfectly. Let's look at it here. Right. On this side, you have a scissors, nicely made. Okay, the alignment is correct. There's no overshoot or anything like that. It's perfect, right? Okay. And behind the scissors, you got the file, small little file, and a flathead screwdriver. I think this works all right. It's just that I think it may not take that much of a torque. Probably just good enough to tighten some gadgets and well, probably some a belt, maybe, for example. All right. Okay. On the top here, you had a SIM card remover, or a little pin here they put into the phone SIM card just to push out. Okay, and of course you can use a toothpick, I guess. Right. Okay, that's about it, I think. Oh yes, the last one is the slots where the tool sits on the belt. It's also double up as a hex hex nut remover. All right. The sizes that you had from here is for size 10 to size 6. So this will be like fit it. This is how it works. Just into it and you just turn it on. Okay. Now back onto the belt. So how again, just to show how it sits back, just to recap it. So you put us onto here, all right, and then click shut. So it's worked perfectly. Okay, okay, and then that's how it works. Perfect. One thing I don't like about this, just off the box, is the logo is too big, just too big. See, the reason I got this belt is because I want it to be discreet. Right? I want to have some tools here, but it's not to be obvious to people. But having the word Nextool and it just to attract too much attention. What I will do in my next video, see, I want to do it, is that I take some maybe 200 to 300 grit sandpaper, put into a pan and just scrape it one way to remove this, and at the same time can create some sort of some sort of aluminium brush looks onto it. Hopefully it works, but let's see how it goes. Okay. So back to the belt, the stitches is perfect. It's it's sturdy, right? Yeah, it's good. Just so well made. All right, for the amount of money that I paid is wonderful. All right. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you can get some useful information of this video. Bye.